Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have a box here from Startop. It is, I know what it is because they asked me if I'd like to try out their kettle. It is an electric kettle. So we are going to open this box together and we're going to check it out. They reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to try it, and I said sure. Because I do know that I love to make hot tea, hot chocolate, and I also do a lot of like not so much instant oatmeal, but you know, the quick oatmeal. But I like the instant one too. So it's a box inside a box, which I expected. I'm excited. It's supposed to be quick, like a quick boil. So here we go. It is hard. It's a glass electric kettle. Tells you the voltage, the frequency, the watts, and the color is black. Oh, and the color is black. So let's open this up. I'm gonna set that aside so it's not in the way. Right now we're going to open it. Here's where I normally sit at, and this obviously is not in there. That's my, I showed you guys that before. It's my junk bowl for emergency purposes when I'm doing videos. But there you go. It's an electric kettle. And there's the user manual. Tells you about cleaning, you know, how to operate it, safety instructions, and you know, facts and questions, and it has different languages in there. So that's Nikki in the background. Let's just get everything out first. Oh, looks nice. Very nice. Wow. I'm kind of shocked at the size. I didn't realize it was going to be such a nice sized kettle. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, look at there. That's so nice. Very nice. And it tells you there's a maximum, minimum fill. I think what we're going to do, here's the inside. I'm thinking we're going to boil a pot of water in it and check it out. Let's see how fast it does heat up. Give you guys, here is the plate that it will sit on. Now there is some wonderful features to this pot, which I'm going to go over in a minute. But first I'm going to put some water in there. I will not use it because obviously the first time you're supposed to boil, I don't know, this is what I was told, and this is what I do for every new thing, pots, pans, cup, you know, just different things. I boil it to clean it out and then use it. But as you see, here is the bottom of it, and here is the plate that it sits on, and you would just set it on there like so. So we're going to go over to my counter. I'm going to fill it up with water, and we're going to plug it in and see how it goes. So, and I'm going to tell you some of the features on it, okay, guys? So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, so I just put some water in there. Okay, guys, as you see, I just put some water in there. And this is the cutest thing. It has a little filter right here. I like that. So this I'm definitely going to use for, you know, hot tea, hot chocolate, my oatmeal I like to make for breakfast. Sorry, I have such little counter space, so this is hard. We're going to plug this in. And as you see, it lit up down here. Let me know it's on. I want to go over. Can you hear it? try to watch the time just a little bit on it, but sorry guys, I just noticed this is in here again, so please excuse it. We'll move this over just a little bit. Look at how fast this is going. It's barely been a couple minutes, honestly, and it's already coming to a boil. This is how fast this works, and that's what I like. That you could be making your toast or, you know, brushing your teeth and come back and the water's ready. Wow, boom. Look at that. This is a 1500 watt. I'm going to leave the link for it down in the description box. It has an auto shut off for the boil and a boil dry protection. Stainless steel liner. Look at this. I was watching the time and it's now been a little over 3 minutes. Look at this. Look how fast that is. Let me get you more of a close-up. Look. Isn't that just neat? I love that. That's how quick that went. So quick. I mean, you can't really beat that. So if you have to walk away, or you know, or if you forgot to turn it off, it has an automatic shut off. Then once it's done, you can take it off here and bring it to the table. You know, it's nice and hot, you know. It says it takes 7 minutes to boil, but this was not 7 minutes, so I mean, maybe it needs to boil a little bit more, but it says it takes 7 minutes to boil, but I think, well, it says it takes 7 minutes to boil 1.7 liter, 8 cups. I don't have a point exactly there, but you see how fast. But it really was, with a little over 3 minutes, it was boiling like this, so. And it's great for coffee, tea, oatmeal. You can make your instant pasta, boil your water. This is a lot quicker than on the stove. So I really like this. This is very nice, and I'm really happy that they sent it to me to try out. I will be using it, especially on those cold days when I need some hot chocolate. I love my hot chocolate, and I hate doing it in the microwave because it never ever works out right, because you gotta do the hot water in the microwave, then you gotta add the cocoa and stir it, and never stirs right. But this way I could have the cocoa in there, do my hot water, and it's faster than me putting it in a pan and boiling the water that way. This just heated up so quick. We are going to shut it off now. I shut it off, but it does have an automatic shut off on it, and it is controlled. It says safety auto off and boiling dry protection. Supreme safety is controlled by an automatic shut off mechanism, which is activated within 20 seconds after the cordless kettle reaches full boiling point. So I just think that's really nice, and I really appreciate them sending it to me to try it out. I like it. It has a little filter just in case you're you know, boiling some tea in there and maybe one breaks, and it'll filter it out. And it's a very nice, you know, it looks nice, fashionable to be on your counter. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I will leave the link down in the description box. I do know that they have other ones also that they also have other items you can check out. This one comes in black and white, I believe, and I do think that they have another version also, but I just think that it's really nice. So thank you so much for sending this out. I really think it's really neat. Look at the steam coming from there, guys. Sorry I'm holding this because, once again, I didn't set up correctly as I usually do in all my videos. You guys know that. So it wouldn't be a SuperFly video if she wasn't upside down or crooked. So I am not sponsored, nor was I paid by them. They just asked me if I'd like to try out their product, and I think it's very nice. It will be coming very handy because, as I say, I'm always in a hurry. I always have stuff to do, or anybody else. You could pop this on, walk away for a few minutes, do what you have to do, come back, your water's boiling. You can make you some macaroni and cheese, or you can make you some tea or some coffee. Or like I like to do is my quick oats, pour it in there, and I always have a hard time judging it for in the microwave, so this way I could pour it little by little in there and add a little bit of raisins and cinnamon, and it's delicious. So thank you so much for letting me try it. It's a very, very nice product. Check down below in the description box for a link, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you very much. Bye-bye.